What is your biggest Disney planning mistake?
Oh.
I think the biggest Disney planning mistake is not having a plan.
Yeah, our first
trip.
that whole
Which
trip.
is the whole purpose of this video.
Yeah.
Have a plan.
Like,
Yeah.
I think we knew what parks we were going to,
Yeah.
but that was it.
Yeah.
And
we did no dining reservations.
we didn't do any dining.
Well, we did, but only things that we could get when we were there.
But I don't think we did
We
any.
didn't even do that much though.
No, because we just couldn't get them in.
Yeah.
Like, we couldn't get them. So I think the biggest thing we did wrong was not have a plan.
Yeah. Now, just saying because you have a plan doesn't mean you need to stick to that plan. Like,
No.
we book things all the time and we change them.
Ours is definitely flexible.
Yeah. Like, this is just our rough plan so that at least if, like, everything goes to shit, we know there is a plan in place. But sometimes, like, we last trip, we cancelled the dining reservation altogether because we just decided we didn't want to do it.
So I think you can cancel a dining reservation up to 24 hours
Yeah.
before and you don't get charged.
Yeah, you can also modify them.
Yes.
Obviously, when you do try and change it, it will be dependent on what is still available.
Yeah.
So yeah, you don't have to be locked into your plan, but it's just good to have a plan. Otherwise, you will miss out on some things that are super important to you.
And, if you're like me and you want to pack outfits around where you're going, then you need a plan.
Yeah, you definitely do. All right. Now, the last thing I put on this page is a rapid fire advice.
Oh, gosh. Okay. I'm not prepared.
So I'm just going to like say some questions and then like off the top of your head, we just got to like say what we think our answers are.
Okay.
Best park for first timers.
Magic Kingdom.
Oh, I was in my head. I was like a hotel. Yeah. Magic Kingdom. I agree.
Yeah.
Well, best hotel for first timers.
Oh, it depends on your budget.
I think Pop.
Pop, definitely.
Yeah, Pop is good. It's like budget friendly.
You got Skyliner, you got buses.
But it's also like
Family friendly.
it's really nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
Best ride.
Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind.
Yeah, I don't think you can argue that one. Best restaurant.
Ohana for dinner.
Yeah, I agree.
You said rapid fire.
Best character meal.
Crystal Palace, from what we've done so far.
So are you basing it off the character or off the food?
Off the food.
Yeah, see, because I don't think the characters are as good, but the food was great. Mm-hmm. But like,
Where do you think
I prefer any dining reservation that has like your classic Mickey characters, like Mickey, Minnie, because Crystal Palace is all Winnie the Pooh.
True.
Yeah.
So like Tusker House where you've got Mickey, Donald, Daisy.
Yeah, that's what I want for my characters. But
Okay.
for breakfast, that was good food.
Okay.
Best nighttime show.
Happily Ever After.
I'm torn with this one. I have an equal love for Happily Ever After and Fantasmic, and I don't think you can compare them because I think they're two different shows.
But I think if I could only see one, it would be Happily Ever After. You're going to say Fantasmic.
I think I'm going to pick Fantasmic. I know Happily Ever After was our wedding song, but I don't know.
He doesn't love me, guys.
Hit me Fantasmic that first time I saw it. Best park snack.
Corn dog nugs.
Yeah, I'm going to say corn dog nugs. How many Disney days? 10. We said that. Mm-hmm. Park hopper. Yes or no? Yes. So park hopper, we didn't even talk about park hopper.
No.
Park hopper is you buy a ticket and instead of only being able to go to Magic Kingdom that day, you could leave and go to Epcot. Mm-hmm. You could leave and go to back to Hollywood Studios. You can go to all 4 parks in one day with one ticket if you want to.
And also trick to know that if you do park hopper and you book a lightning lane, your lightning lane does hop across
It does,
with you.
yes. So yes, we recommend park hopper tickets. Mm-hmm. Lightning lanes, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Car hire.
Yes.
I would say yes. I would say if you can't afford it or it's not in your budget or you're scared of driving.
Or it's your first time. I feel like if it's your first time,
it's not the end of the world.
It's not the end of the world.
We didn't do it for multiple trips.
No, but now that we've done it, I wouldn't go back.
Yeah. Once we've done it, it's a non-negotiable now for us. Rest days, yes or no?
I would say our rest day is a shopping day.
Yeah, I'm going to say no for a rest day. My opinion is I'm not traveling to the other side of the world to rest.
Yeah,
Other people might have a completely different opinion on that.
I think our rest day is like
Our shopping day.
little bit of a sleep in doing shopping.
We're still doing 30,000 steps.
Oh, crazy. Because we probably still go to a park that night, but it's a slower morning, I would say, yes.
Yep. Disney Springs must do.
Like as in...
Like what's your must do thing at Disney Springs?
World of Disney, Gideon's. Yeah.
Yep. Mm-hmm. Yep. Biggest planning mistake Well, we said that. Not having a plan. Yeah. And one thing every Australian should know before going.
One thing every Australian should know before going. That if you watch UK vlogs,
Oh, yeah.
the
I know what
heat
you're going
is
to say.
not as bad as what they make it out
Yeah,
to be. To be confirmed when we go again.
Yeah, in
but
our
so far,
experience of our last 4 trips, we've never found the heat like crazy bad. Nothing worse than what we experience here in Australia.
No.
I have seen other people's vlogs where like they refer to it as like the surface of the sun. I think that's an exaggeration.
Yes.
But like I said, the weather is looking quite hot for our trip coming up so far. So I could be proven wrong with that.
Yes.
Yep. Yeah, that's my how-to list that I threw together really quickly.
That I would agree with.
Yeah. So if you think I've missed touching on something or you want to know something more, please drop it in the comments and let me know. Message us on our Instagram. Even.
Yeah.
We're more than happy to answer your questions on things, or if it's just something like might be just tailored into something that you want to know that other people might not even care about. Send us a message. We're so happy to talk to you and let you know what we think.
Or if you think that we've missed something.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's something that we've missed.
I think I said that.
Oh, maybe. That we should do.
Yeah.
Let us know.
But yeah, like I said, we are 14 days as of today away from our next trip to Walt Disney World.
So excited.
So we have a whole new vlog series coming out for that.
We should do.
We're doing some cool things that are not just in the parks. We're venturing around a bit.
Yeah.
Really excited for it.
Yeah.
So keep a lookout for that. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Follow us on Instagram.
Yep. And we will see you in the next one.
Bye.